Hello, ma'am. I am so confused with this word on. I know that the book is on the table, but I heard someone say on Monday, or maybe he is watching a movie on TV. How can we use on in all these places? Great question, Minnie. Yes, on is a super versatile preposition. Let me break it down for you and tell you 5 ways on can be used, and I'm sure you will love it. The first one, physical position or surface. Physical position or surface. We use on when we talk about something which is resting on a surface. A surface and something is resting on it. For example, the phone is on the table. There is a stain on my shirt. So there is a surface and there is a stain on it. So when we talk about something which is resting on a surface, we use on. Okay, so when something touches or lies over something, we use on. Exactly, Minnie. In the second usage, I'll tell you, we use on when we talk about specific days and dates. Like, I was born on 7th August. Okay, now don't confuse. When I'm just talking about month, it is in. My birthday is in the month of August. But when I talk about a specific date, I was born on 7th August. See how tricky, but very, very important. Okay, we also use it for specific days, like I will meet you on Monday. So when we talk about specific days and dates, dates and days, we use on. Oh, that's why we don't say in Monday. Okay, I got it. Third usage of on. When we talk about media and communication platforms, maybe like TV, radio, or maybe social media, we use on. Like, she posted beautiful pictures on Instagram. Okay, I heard the news on TV. She will be performing on the radio. So when we talk about media and communication platforms, we use on. Oh, so not in Instagram, but on Instagram. I keep making that mistake. So now you won't make that mistake, Minnie. Now let's move on to the fourth usage of on. So we also use on when we talk about location. Now specifically when we talk about streets or maybe floors. Okay, the floors in a building. For example, I live on the 12th floor. I live on the 12th floor. So it's a location where I stay, right? But when I'm talking about floor, I'm using on and not in. So we don't say I live in the 12th floor. No, I live on the 12th floor. You can also use it in a different way. Let's say her shop is on Park Street. Usually people say her shop is in Park Street. No, it is on Park Street, because on is used when we are talking about a surface, right? It's there, correct? The shop is on the Park Street. But in, it doesn't talk about being something on the surface. In is about which is inside something, right? I'm sure you have watched our video where we have discussed in. So when we talk about certain locations, whether in reference to streets and floors, we use on. So it's not in the 5th floor. It's on the 5th floor. English is tricky, ma'am. Yeah, it is, but you are getting better every day, Minnie. We also use on when we talk about devices or machines. Like, you are always on your phone, Minnie. See, so when you're talking about devices or machines, we use on. One more sentence. He is working on his laptop. Laptop is a device and he's working on it. So we use on with it. That makes sense to me, ma'am. Oh, that's why we say on a call, right? Brilliant, Minnie. You are totally on track. Okay, now let me try. Like, my coffee is on the table. I will meet you on Thursday. I watched some videos on YouTube. Their house is on MG Road, and he was on his laptop all day. Perfect, Minnie. That's how we use on like a pro. I am officially on fire today. You certainly are, Minnie. And I'm sure even all of you have got a clarity that when to use on in a sentence. And if you have liked this video of ours, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and keep thriving with Sushmita. Thank you so much.